Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your artwork always approved on Displate. So Displate is a website where you can upload your artwork or photos and they will be sold as metal prints. Now, the good thing about Displate is they have a lot of visitors each month. I have checked the data and it's over 1 million visitors. This means that if you upload some of your work there, you have a big chance it's gonna get sold many times if it's good enough. So I always upload stuff there because I just upload them and I don't have to do anything. They just sell it many times. Now, sometimes when you upload something, let me go in upload history, some work doesn't get approved. Now you can see here, this one is published, this one is waiting to get published. And if I go to the second page, this is all the artwork I uploaded. Some get deactivated, not sure why. They don't tell why, but probably because of the quality or something. But sometimes your artwork does not get approved. Like you can see here, not approved. And many creators have this problem on Displate. The artwork just doesn't get approved and they just don't know why. Now, you can see here, this is pretty much the same artwork, not approved. And here it is approved. You can see published. So I found a little hack that I know works, and to get your artwork always approved on Displate, you have to do one thing. Make sure you upload your artwork like in a batch of different artwork. So what I mean by that is when you upload something on Displate, you can see here this was not approved and this was before it was approved. And what I did was I uploaded like 1 2 3 4 5 6 artworks and they didn't like the first one. So what I did was they automatically disapproved all the other ones. I know these are good quality, so this one was probably not so good quality, or they didn't like the design, whatever, and they did not approve this one. So they automatically did not approve all the other ones. So what you want to do is make sure you have a batch of artworks, like a couple of artworks, and put the first one that you put first, make sure it's the best one of your batch. So if you want them all approved, make sure you have the first one a really good artwork and all the other ones can be like, okay, that's fine. But make sure the first one you upload is really good and that way they will also approve the other ones. I have tried this out for many times for a couple of years that I've been on Displate and it seems to work every time. Maybe sometimes it gets deactivated, but most of the times it just works and I can upload everything I want on Displate. I don't have to worry about that it's not getting approved. So that's just a little hack. Keep in mind when you upload on Displate, try it out. It's really cool. You just upload your stuff there and it's gonna get sales for many years to come.